Harry! Look at this big machine.
It looks huge. What is it, Jessica?
This is a brick-making machine. Today we'll learn how it makes strong bricks.
Yay! I love learning about big machines.
Here comes a big truck.
Whoa! It's carrying something. Is that chocolate?
Not chocolate, Harry. It's full of mud for making bricks.
Whoa! The truck is dumping all the mud. It looks like a giant mudslide.
Yes, Harry. And soon, this mud will be fed into the machine.
Look, Jessica, that yellow excavator has a big bucket.
Yes, Harry. It's scooping up the mud.
It sounds like it's eating the mud.
Exactly. The excavator is feeding the machine with mud to make bricks.
Wow! The machine is shaking.
The sound of the mud being crushed and pressed.
Look! The mud is turning into rectangles. The bricks are going into the fire. Will they burn?
Don't worry, Harry. The burner is very hot, but it doesn't destroy the bricks.
The bricks are sliding down the conveyor belt.
Yes! They're falling neatly into the truck.
They look like a line of toast going into a basket.
That's right, Harry.
Wow, the truck is full now.
Yes, and it's going to the city to deliver all the bricks.
People will use them to build houses, right?
Exactly, Harry. Bricks are used to build strong homes, schools, and even big buildings.
Yay! Bricks are amazing!
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.